In this video, I'll guide you through how to create new files in Google Workspace, specifically making sure they're saved inside the right folder from the very beginning. This is really useful if you want to stay organized and avoid cleaning up a messy drive later on. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Drive, the key idea is this. You always want to start by going into the folder where you want your new file to live. That way, the file is created directly in that location and you don't have to move it afterward. So, look through your drive and find the folder you want to use. You might see it in your main My Drive view, or it could be inside another folder. If needed, double-click through your folders until you reach the exact one where this new file should be stored. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct folder by checking the folder name at the top of the screen and the breadcrumb path near the search bar. This helps you avoid accidentally creating files in the wrong place. Once you're inside the right folder, you're ready to create your new file. Move your attention to the top left corner of the screen and find the New button. It's usually a colorful button labeled with the plus sign and the word New. Click on that. When you click New, a menu will appear with different options. This is where you choose what kind of file you want. For example, if you want to create a text document, select Google Docs. If you're working with data or numbers, choose Google Sheets. If you're preparing a presentation, pick Google Slides. Depending on your account, you may also see options like Google Forms, Google Drawings, or other file types, but the process is the same for all of them. As soon as you click the file type you want, Google will open a brand new blank file in a new tab. Behind the scenes, it's already saved inside the folder you were just viewing. You don't have to drag it or move it manually. To double check this, you can click the file name at the top of your new document and then look for the small folder icon near the title. Clicking that icon will show you the current location, and you should see the folder you started from listed there. At this point, it's a good idea to rename your file right away so it's easy to recognize later. Click on the default name at the top left of the file, type in something clear and descriptive, and press enter. The new name will automatically update in your Google Drive folder as well. From here, you can start working on your content, knowing that your file is already saved in the correct place. Every change you make is saved automatically, and you can always get back to it by returning to that same folder in Google Drive. To recap in simple terms, first, navigate into the folder where you want the file to live. Then click the New button in the top left corner, and finally, select the type of file you want to create. Following these steps every time you create something new in Google Workspace will keep your drive structured and make your files much easier to find later.